Let me give you a personal experience and what I remember. Years ago, I had a toothache. When I was a young man, I had a toothache. I was taken to a hospital in Mukurweini constituency. There was no anesthesia. And indeed, I don't think there was a dentist in the room. However, somebody had to deal with my tooth. And what they did is that they just got a pair of pliers. You know, as if they are on a construction site. And I was told to open my mouth. And at the sight of a pair of pliers and no dentist at hand, and the guy telling me to open my mouth is a guy I knew. And it was quite clear to me he has never been in any medical facility. At which point I took off and ran away. That is what I remember about that hospital to this day. If you tell me about that hospital, I remember my plight and my running away with my aching tooth. In fact, to conclude the story, I went and tied a string to the tooth and pulled against a pole and removed it. But anyway, that is my experience. Don't give anybody, any young man, any young girl, anybody, an experience like that one. That hospital did not put a smile on my face. That health worker did not put a smile on my face. I don't remember them fondly. You don't want to be remembered the way I remember them.